Nokia Siemens have posted the second straight win. They've defeated Torii Harris by 15 runs in a low-scoring game. They have the captain Satya of Nokia Siemens, captain Arun, Torii Harris here. Starting with you, you ended up with 133 kind of a score. But if you realistically see, I mean, after 10 overs you were 74. You had not lost a wicket. Your openers had given you a great platform. You couldn't actually score a lot of runs in the back end of the innings. Were you happy with your overall batting performance?
Well, not really. I think we were probably around 20 runs short. But having said that, I think they bowled really well. And also, I think the pitch was quite slow to bat on later. Giving credit to them, they bowled really well. And I think we did a decent job of at least playing out the 20 overs. Sometimes, chasing too much, we end up scoring too less. So I think we did a decent job. I would say we could have put in probably 10-15 more runs to make our life simpler. But our bowlers did a great job and I think it made our life really good.
Great. Yeah. Arun, on the other hand, similarly, I mean, you started off pretty well in the first 2-3 overs, but then it sort of went away from you because their openers took it away from you guys. But you sort of pulled it back really well. I think you restricted the last 6-7 batsmen to only 30. So, good comeback by your bowlers.
If I say it's a new baby, 3 months old, the entire team recently we had formed the stage. I don't have any problem. Actually, we have shot one ball. Overall, they had done a good bowling, I can say that. And batting was also, they had a good start initially, but they didn't convert that to a big score. But I should give a credit to the opposite team. So they bowled very good.
Satya, coming back to your bowling innings, you were defending you did say that you sort of okay to end up the score that was not a collapse game, but you were sort of defending a equally strong score. Your bowlers came up really charged up, your fielders were really good, you were outstanding behind the wickets. What is it that you actually told between the innings?
We knew that this was a big ground and to score boundaries was going to be anyways difficult. So we just always said to our fielders, make it difficult for them to get those extra runs, let them run. They get tired, they obviously go for the big shot and then they're out. And I think really, as you said, I think our fielders were brilliant and they made this possible. Actually, the score was low and I think wicket to wicket bowling is what we know does well on this pitch and everyone did that and it just paid dividends. So they had to go for their shots and the high-risk shots always give away wickets.
Looking back, how you placed your batting innings? I mean, at the end of 10 overs, halfway mark, you had posted about 50 to 54 runs, but you still were not, you had about 8 wickets in hand, 82 chasing the last 10 overs. You set up a good platform, but you were not really able to push on and get the momentum into your innings at all.
Most of the players they had a good start. They started, but they were not converting that to a big number. So that was the main reason I can say. But overall, the bowling was very good. Even the fielding, I guess, only one or two here and there. From our side, we had 3-4 this fielding with an extra.
Not a problem. This is the first game in the tournament for you guys. There are 4 more games left. We just hope it goes really well for you guys. Satya, with this win, you go to the top of the table. Good luck for the remainder of the games.
Thank you.
We have the man of the match of today's game. Was really bowled really outstandingly, 4 overs for 13 runs and 3 wickets. Satya was saying that your plan was to just stick to line and length, bowl stump to stump. Was it something that you guys were trying to do?
Yes, that's my strength of bowling. I generally bowl length, wicket to wicket and off stump, or just outside off stump. So the medium pace, this pitch is also pretty slow, but that's what I try to do that and keep the fielders around that. So if they hit it, if they miss it, I hit it. So
as a bowling unit also, you are pretty similar. When you had as of today, you have only one quickish off spinner kind of a bowler. You were bowling with all those medium pacers, line and length kind of a thing. You work pretty well as a unit, I suppose.
Yes, absolutely. They start with Lalmani and others. I think everyone started pretty well. So it's an entire team bowling unit. I pitch never but the entire bowling unit it pitch pretty well, and I followed them. Line and wicket to wicket as simple basics.
Great start for you guys. Hopes you have a great tournament personally as well, individually as well.
Absolutely.
All the best.
Absolutely.
I don't